Open your internet browser and write the name of our website on the address bar. You will be directed to our home page. Click the Connection red button. You will be redirected to the connection page. Please scroll down and select the button for your operating system. We are selecting Mac button in this example. The client will start downloading to your download folder. Once it's saved, open and install the client. A new Windows will appear in the screen. Double-click the center icon. Please provide the technician with the code in the screen. Now the technician can remote your computer to assist you. Thank you for choosing our technical services.